All right, thank you so much. I want to extend a deep gratitude for Metro Council for hearing this ordinance, first of all. I also want to thank all of the organizations, groups, and people who have worked so hard in getting this ordinance here today. We would also like to thank the people, actually over 500 in fact, who have sent letters and called to show their support for Ban the Box. We represent, Kentucky Jobs with Justice represents over 20 organizations, including faith, labor, and community groups, in addition to over 8,000 activists statewide. Since the introduction of this ordinance 6 months ago, there have been many compromises about the scope of this ordinance, and Kentucky Jobs with Justice stands firm in saying that it is time to vote yes, and therefore pass this ordinance with the application to Metro government's hiring practices as well as to its vendors and contractors. So to be clear, this ordinance does not mandate that an employer must hire a person with a criminal background, nor does this ordinance say that a criminal background check cannot be done on an applicant before hiring them. What Ban the Box does is remove the question from an application and gives the applicant and the potential employer an opportunity to have an actual conversation about any possible criminal background that the applicant may have. This will allow a more equitable hiring process by opening the door to an interview with an employer. Therefore, the employer can make a more informed deduction if the applicant is right for the job. The Center for Economic Policy and Research has found that a history of incarceration reduces a worker's chances of being hired by 15 to 30%, with minorities and the undereducated affected the most. The report estimated that the lost economic output across the country is at $57 to $65 billion annually. In conclusion, Kentucky Jobs with Justice respectfully requests that Metro Council votes tonight and passes Ban the Box, codifying Metro government's hiring practices and extending to it its vendors and contractors. Thank you for your time. Honey Dozier, Kentucky Jobs with Justice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Carolyn Jones.